How to download OSU in Windows 11. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you through the exact steps on how you can download OSU. So in order to download OSU, first go to any web browser of your choice like Google Chrome, and in the search bar type in OSU download. Then hit the enter button and you will see this particular website, that is osu.ppy.sh, and it says OSU welcome. So simply click onto this, and from here you will see this button right here, that is download now. Simply click onto this download now button, and from here you can also choose the platforms, although it will auto detect according to your particular operating system. But if you still want to change it, you can do so. So I'll let it remain to Windows 10 or later, and then click onto this download button. Now once I click onto this download button, the download will get started. So let us wait for that, and here you can see that the download had started. So the file would be around 165 megabytes. So just wait for the installer to finish downloading, and once it downloads we will attempt to install this using this installer.exe file. So as you can see, it will roughly take around a minute or maybe two depending upon your internet connection speed. And once this installer is successfully downloaded, we can easily install the OSU on our Windows 11 computer system. So as you can see, it is almost downloaded, and once this is done you will be able to install this, and it will show you this install button right here is showing here. So let's click onto this open button, and this will open the OSU installer, and it is saying now installing. So let's wait for the installation process to start. And once the installation will be finished, it will show you your desktop, and then you can launch your OSU, or it will launch automatically like it is doing right here. So that was all for this tutorial. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.